Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out SMDC Glam Residences, one of the most strategic and investment-worthy condominium in Metro Manila. So if you are looking for a home that offers convenience, luxury, and a smart investment opportunity, this might be for you. Guys, imagine this. Gigising ka sa isang high-rise condo, hawak mo ang coffee mo, overlooking the city skyline, and knowing na smart investment pa tong bahay mo? Sounds like a dream? Well, welcome to SMDC Glam Residences. Dream home mo, smart investment pa. Kung ang hanap mo ay modern living na sobrang convenient at may potential for high returns, ito na yun. Stay with me dahil papakita ko sa inyo kung bakit dapat kayo mag-invest dito para sa sarili mo or para sa rental business. Alam nyo naman, location is everything. At dito sa Glam Residences, nasa EDSA ka mismo katabi ng MRT GMA Kamuning Station. So imagine, Makati, BGC o Ortigas, saglit lang ang biyahe. Work, school, or airport, wala nang hassle sa traffic. Shopping, dining at business hubs, andito na lahat. Speaking of convenience, shopping, food trip or gala, nasa paligid mo lang ang lahat. SM North EDSA, Trinoma, Virtus North, pwedeng araw-araw ka mag-mall. Perfect din ang location natin para sa mga working professionals like BPOs and corporate offices. Malapit lang din tayo sa St. Luke's Medical Center kasi health is wealth. Perfect din to kung may students sa pamilya dahil malapit lang din ng UP Diliman at Ateneo. At syempre, hindi lang to basta condo. Para ka na rin nakatira sa hotel. Resort-style swimming pool para chill kahit nasa city ka. Fully equipped gym to stay fit anytime, di mo na kailangan lumayo. Sky lounges and gardens para may fresh air at relaxation. Function rooms pang events at special occasions. Now imagine this. Ito ang uuwian mo everyday. Modern, stylish, at well-designed para sa busy lifestyle mo. Perfect sa young professionals, bagong kasal, o kahit investors na gustong kumita. Pero ito ang best part. SMDC Glam Residences, hindi lang pang personal use, pang business din. For personal use, gaganda ang lifestyle mo. Lahat accessible. Tipid pa sa oras. For rental business, sobrang taas ng demand mula sa professionals at students. Pwede mong ipa-long-term rent or Airbnb. Value appreciation, tumataas ang presyo ng condo dito dahil sa prime location. Imagine mo to. Meron kang property na maganda na, convenient pa, at kikita pa ng malaki sa future. Kung gusto mong malaman kung paano magkaroon ng unit dito, message me now, i-assist kita sa site viewing at reservation. So that's it for today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more real estate updates. Kita-kits sa next vlog.